Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Of course, you know who I am. I'm Santa Claus, and this is my toy shop. And you probably thought it was in the North Pole, but you would be wrong. We actually come down to Virginia to build our toys. And you may not know this lovely lady standing next to me. I'm going to let her introduce herself. I've got to go drink some eggnog and eat some more cookies.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Claus and welcome to the workshop. We are so excited you could come and visit. We have been busy all year long making toys. I will be working with Santa in the next few weeks to clean things up after all of this big mess. And we will be transitioning this workshop back into the Wood and Shop Traditional Woodworking School in Earlysville, Virginia. We are pleased to announce that the 2024 upcoming class schedule is now online. Now, I'm sure you're looking for a last-minute gift and that perfect gift for that special someone. And what better gift than giving the gift of learning? There are plenty of classes to choose from, and we also have gift cards available if you're not quite sure what that loved one might want to take. So I am going to be announcing the next upcoming classes. Tom Callisto will be teaching a class on how to make a dovetail saw and a tenon saw. Bill Anderson will be teaching a class on sharpening woodworking hand tools. Bill Anderson will also be teaching a class about hand plane skills. Irvin and Willie Ellis will be teaching a timber framing class. Tom Callisto will also be teaching a class on how to build a Wharton Eschrick three-legged stool. Joshua Farnsworth will be teaching an Introduction to Hand Tool Woodworking class offered on a variety of dates. Bill Anderson will be teaching a class on making a traditional sash window. Corey Loftheim will be teaching his 18th century wood carving class. Bill Anderson will also be teaching his Restoring Wooden Hand Planes class. Jeremy Trichler will be teaching a class on how to make a colonial pipe box from scratch using traditional woodworking tools. Bill Anderson will be teaching a class on how to make workbench fixtures. Mike Kundle will be teaching a class on the Introduction to Green Woodworking. Mike Kundle will also be teaching a class on how to make a Japanese tool chest. Tom Callisto will also be teaching a class on how to make a simple shaker end table. Don Williams will be teaching a class on Introduction to Historic Wood Finishing. Jeremy Trichler will be teaching a class on how to make shaker oval boxes. Dave Heller will be teaching a class on veneering for furniture makers. Tom Callisto will be teaching a class on how to make a compound dovetail tool tote. Bill Anderson will be teaching a class on how to make a molding plate. Bill Anderson will be teaching a class on how to hand cut moldings.